the two topics that I came here to specifically speak about. The first is the tree cutting bylaw that is in front of the County Council for discussion. And the second is the county official plan with the tree cutting bylaw. We know the forestry and logging industry in this province is completely, just about completely devastated. It is beleaguered. We have lost tens of thousands of jobs. We're going to lose some more. And in large part, there's a number of different factors. One of them is markets, but also the cost of doing business and the environmental regulations associated with forestry are making us completely uncompetitive. So I would not want to see additional burdens placed on that fragile industry at the present time. The motivation, or some of the motivation behind this discussion on the tree cutting bylaw is a result of a couple of proposals on a couple hundred acres in the county for clear cutting. I think it amounts to about 200 acres out of a total land mass in the county of about 1 million acres. A pretty small sliver, percentage-wise. The motivating factors behind those clear cuts were those exorbitant subsidies provided for solar parks. Where the provincial aspect comes in, should there be a change of color in the political leaves this autumn, the Progressive Conservative Party has said that they are going to turn off the taps on the Green Energy Act. So, depending on what happens October 6th, it's quite possible that those exorbitant subsidies will not be present, and applicants for clear cutting will be substantially reduced. I also find it quite ironic that the only time we've seen that clear cutting, that change to our environment, is as a result of an environmental program initiated by the provincial government, one of those unseen consequences.
Have you got, or the Conservative Party, got any idea on how you're going to regulate the ones that are already approved, and how the zoning on these properties will be? Will the townships have any authority to collect some taxes, which we haven't got now? I was just curious as to where your party is now.
Well, first off, I'll say that we have made that commitment, and I think it's the only practical and feasible commitment, is that we will honor any existing contract. Anything less than that would be an abuse of authority and abuse of processing to those proponents who have got these renewable energy systems in place. I do agree with you, Aubrey, that there's another fading of that Green Energy Act is hamstringing and preventing the municipality from receiving municipal taxation on these projects. It ought to be viewed as any other development in their communities. We haven't, or I haven't been engaged in those in-depth discussions yet about the nuances in the details. We will honor the existing contracts, but we will be turning off the valve on any that are not completed or that we don't have completed off.